Opisyal lang pinakilala ng CF Moto ang 150SC, isang bagong scooter na isang dynamic na naka-estilong scooter na dinisenyo para sa parehong commuters at weekend getaways. Nakapak na may mga advanced na tampok. Ang 149cc scooter na ito ay nag-aalok ng kahusayan ng gasolina, kaginhawaan at isang sleek modernong disenyo. Engine specifications: 149cc liquid-cooled with 2-valve, single overhead cam, single cylinder that puts out 14.8 horsepower at 8,250 RPM and 14.2 Newton meters of torque at 6,500 RPM. Single cylinder with fuel injection by Bosch. Ang fuel consumption nito ay nasa 37 to 40 km per liter. Ang transmission CVT. Fuel tank capacity 8.5 liters. Advanced features niya: LED headlights and taillights, sharp and stylish lighting designed for enhanced visibility. Multifunction luggage storage, 30 liters under seat storage plus additional 2.5 liter magnetic storage box with Type A and Type C ports. Keyless start, smart key technology for easy operation. Meron din siyang stop and start system. Automatically shuts off the engine during idle to improve fuel efficiency. Dual channel hubs, front and rear, 230 mm disc brake with hubs for smooth braking in any conditions. Meron din siyang traction control, prevents steer, start slip for a safer ride. TFT display na rin ang kanyang panel gauge na may 5-inch multifunction. Meron siyang phone interconnectivity via the CF Moto Ride app, featuring security, tracking, and Moto Play. Yan, pwede nyo rin i-connect yung cellphone nyo tapos pwede kayong mag-navigate niya sa panel gauge niya. The CF Moto 150cc is built for reliability and safety. Meron siyang dual channel hubs, traction control, multifunctional TFT display at keyless start system. Available ang kanyang kulay sa solar silver, gem black, storm gray, space silver, tsaka black. Ang CF Moto 150SC ABS with official price tag of 119,800 pesos.